To authorize a payment form using Authorize Net, start by creating an account on the Authorize Net website and obtaining an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are necessary to access the Authorize Net payment gateway and authenticate transactions. Next, choose the type of payment form you want to create, such as a simple payment form or a more complex hosted payment form. Authorize Net provides various APIs and tools to help you integrate the payment form into your website or application. To set up the payment form, you need to specify the payment details, including the amount, currency, and payment method. You can also add additional fields, such as customer information and invoice details, to enhance the payment experience. Once you have set up the payment form, you need to authenticate the transaction using the API login ID and transaction key. This involves generating a token that is used to verify the authenticity of the transaction. After authenticating the transaction, you can redirect the customer to the Authorize Net payment form to complete the payment. The customer will enter their payment information, such as credit card details, and submit the payment. Authorize Net will then process the payment and send a response back to your website or application, indicating whether the payment was successful or not. You can use this response to update your database and notify the customer of the payment status. Best practices for authorizing an Authorize Net payment form include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to encrypt sensitive payment information and protecting against common web attacks, such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection. It is also important to comply with industry standards, such as PCI DSS, to ensure the security and integrity of payment card data. By following these best practices and using the Authorize Net payment gateway, you can provide a secure and reliable payment experience for your customers. In summary, authorizing an Authorize Net payment form involves creating an account, setting up the payment form, authenticating the transaction, and processing the payment. By following these steps and using the Authorize Net APIs and tools, you can provide a seamless and secure payment experience for your customers.